Jessica, Eric, all the painstaking planning, the stress, the dresses you tried on, the memorable trips with your friends, much more than that, all the moments that shaped you into the person you've become today have led you to this moment. It is your wedding day. Take a chance to breathe it in and enjoy it.
Jessica, we have been through a lot together to get here. Promotions, new jobs, new degrees, new cars, a global pandemic, and numerous weddings for friends and family, and we are finally here at our own wedding. Expressing my love in words isn't really my strong suit. What I do know is that I love you more than I can really describe, but I vow to spend the rest of our lives trying. I vow to never stop working on myself and expressing my emotions, and to provide you love on your terms. I vow to celebrate you and all of your accomplishments. I vow to be a partner and a friend, to be less logical when you don't want it, and to always have your back.
Eric, I didn't fall in love with you because I needed you or that I wanted someone to love. I fell in love with you because you showed me what it is like to be valued, to put out love and get the same in return. You make me feel like what I saw happen in movies, something I never thought I would experience. I promise to always give you the fairy tale feeling that you give me. I promise to put you in our relationship first. I promise to travel with you, to do your football drafts in person. And lastly, I promise to hold on to you through the rough times, laugh with you through the happy times, grow with you through the changing times, and be your best friend forever.
Hey, babe. You look great.
Eric, when asked what she loved about you, Jessica replied, "Eric is my rock." Eric, you have become Jessica's confidant, her shoulder to cry on, the one she cannot wait to tell her exciting news to. Jessica, when asked what he loves most about you, Eric replied, "I love how much Jessica cares about people." Jessica, your warmth and generosity is abundant and stands out in a world where it seems at times we've forgotten how to care for our neighbors. This quality displays itself in the lengths you go to in order to show your love and support, not just for Eric, but for your friends, family, and others around you. Jessica and Eric, it is my honor and privilege that at this point, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Eric, you may kiss your bride.
Watching them call each other at 1:30 a.m. last night because she's nervous and, typical bride stuff. I don't know how to explain that. Just emergency call, right? I saw this man who I've never seen be patient with anything ever show her a lot of patience and grace and just repeat, it's going to be okay. We're going to figure it out. A few it doesn't matters in there, which, there was some, Eric, now's not the time. And took a nervous, somewhat tearful cry and turned it into a reassuring one with some laughs at the end, I was told. So I want to say thank you to you, Jess, for restoring my faith a little bit and his ability to find someone to treat him the way that he treats others.
I remember all too well when you met Eric. You had a blank space and decided to go on a date. I remember talking with you about him the very first night, and you weren't exactly enchanted to meet him. He was nice enough, but you said he wasn't what you really normally go for. I know I told you to shake it off and give him another shot. And that's the moment I knew that he was the one for you. I know this has been a cruel summer trying to get things finished up for tonight, but if this was a movie, there would be fireworks and a freeze frame of you two having your last kiss of the night. But this isn't a movie. This is just the beginning of your love story, and I know this love will be timeless. So here's a toast to my real friends. Let's raise a glass to the newlyweds. Congratulations, I love you both so much, and I can't wait to watch your love grow evermore.